Today we are at Davos X-Trails and the weather is beautiful. We didn't know it yet, but we'd be enjoying this refreshing mist for the full length of the race. The ground will turn to mud and there will be some falls. But it's all worth it to befriend this distinguished young gentleman. I had to commit some light identity fraud to sign in because I took somebody else's entry just 2 days ago. We dropped off our bags and headed out for the warm-up.
When you don't push too fast already.
Okay, Endspurt. Nochmal rufen mit der Knie. Endspurt. Und schneller, schneller.
Vivian positioned us optimistically close to the front for the start.
Where are we? Klosters Platz. And it's wet, if you couldn't tell.
We started here in Klosters. We're doing the 23-kilometer route with 758 meters total ascent, according to my Garmin, ending in Davos.
Yeah.
At first we were all quite bunched up, but as we hit the hills, the group started to spread out.
Hey there. Yeah. Nice warm up. So, we've got, I think the first 5 kilometers, pretty nice and easy, fairly flat. And then, after those 5 kilometers, we go up. Up, 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 up. And then down. And then it's flat again. So, not too bad, only about 600 meters elevation gain with 200-300 meters down. So, pretty nice. Taking it easy.
Vivian and I were taking it chill. We decided to run the route together.
Uphill. I'm debating like how often to walk, how often to run to conserve my energy.
Yeah, the hills are not too steep, but they're constant, yeah.
Totally.
Gradual.
But I walk so much slower.
I've got long legs.
I know. Woo, little downhill, then up.
This guy nearly decked it, but he wasn't the first one I saw. Just after we crossed the river, I heard some commotion and I turned around, and there were 2 guys who were racing for the bridge. One of them made it onto the bridge, and the other one ended up face first in the river. He wasn't very happy.
Survived stage 1 of mud. Let's see if I can survive the other muddy spots.
What did you get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Hello. You took the most adventurous route.
Hill. Not gonna run it. Not gonna run it at all.
There were a lot of muddy bums about. As we went, the trails got narrower and muddier. Vivian twisted her ankles, so we took a little bit of a recovery walk up this hill. The supporters were great, especially these 2 guys.
Now down. Well, not really down, flat. Now more flat.
We're at the top now.
New jacket.
The best part of the run was definitely the latter sections. The trails really opened up and we found some of our friends. We were able to run without the fear of decking it all the time. We realised with a few kilometres out that if we pushed, we'd actually manage to make it under 3 hours.
Let's go, Vivian. Snotty hand, sorry. Good job, guys.
We grabbed a beer and some snacks and then we went for a well-deserved shower.